What's in the box?
And we're back with this month's cliche. Cars that never seem to work when you need them to. We all know this one and we know it well.
God damn it, turn over. God damn you, run!
A character / potential victim trying to escape from a perilous situation runs to the nearest car in hopes of making their getaway. But alas, it's never that easy.
Okay, we made it.
It really doesn't matter what kind of car it is either. It could be a 69 POS.
Shit!
Or it could be fresh off the assembly line.
What the hell was that?
If you are in danger and you hop in a car, it ain't gonna work.
Bitch.
The common explanation used is a dead battery, but for some reason every time the engine does attempt to turn over, when in fact if the battery was actually dead, there would be silence.
Shit.
But that shit ain't scary, so screw logic.
Right?
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go!
Also in real life, if you crank the engine 3 or 4 times and it doesn't start, it probably won't miraculously work on the 5th try. But 9 times out of 10, when the killer, monster, whatever it is coming after you reaches the door handle, the engine will come to life. Growing up seeing this happen so many times in so many horror flicks, I honestly believed that all cars in reality were completely unreliable. Silly me, huh? Now, after doing some research, I learned that the first movie to use this device wasn't actually a horror film. It was Billy Wilder's Double Indemnity, a film noir from 1944. In it, the main characters commit a murder, and then they hop in their car and drive off. Now, after filming that scene and wrapping for the day, Wilder went to his car to leave, only to have it not start. This gave him a great idea to add some suspense to this bit of the movie, and he called the entire crew back that night to reshoot it. The rest is cliched history. Well, there you go. I would say to get your engine checked, fill up your gas, or make sure you plug in your smart car before your next dangerous outing, but it won't do any good. The best option is to either take the bus or stay home. Thanks for tuning in, and hit the talkbacks with any other cliches you want to see annihilated.
I know it's not gonna start. It's not gonna let us leave.
And for your enjoyment, here's Paris Hilton being slutty in the movie House of Wax. Ironically, it's the only scene she's actually believable in. And be sure to stick around for the money shot at the end.